Hi guys, welcome back to Explore Arm Wrestling with Ayush. Guys, very recently, Hermes was doing a live on his YouTube channel in which he discussed a lot of things like his views on 115 kg category, how is his training going on, but most importantly, Hermes said that his shoulder is not good. When he is going in a kind of press position, there he is having pain, which is not good, guys. This is quite clear that Levan Saginashvili will have a super match in King of the Table 13, which will happen on this coming December in USA. Now, in that live, in that Hermes was not really sure if he will compete Levan on this December or not. Hermes suggested if his shoulder does not get okay, then maybe Vitaly Lalitin will face Levan. Now let's take the case of Vitaly Lalitin. So when asked who is next, Vitaly himself said that he is ready for anyone now, but he needs some more time for Levan. Now, Engin also said that he believes Vitaly is not a deserving contender for a match with Levan because he has lost to Hermes. He thinks Vitaly needs to beat the winner of Jerry Caderet versus Alex Kurdecha super match. And now, if that is the case, then I do not think even if Vitaly is strong enough to crush the winner of Jerry versus Alex Kurdecha, he will take a match with Levan after just few days because East versus West 15 is most likely to happen in November and King of the Table 13 will happen in December. Now my opinions are, firstly, Hermes should face Levan, but if Hermes' shoulder does not feel okay, then I think Jerry Caderet should face Levan. Yes, only if he beats Alex Kurdecha. I think Jerry's style has few percentage of chances of beating Levan, or it can be the winner of Jerry versus Alex. Comment down who do you think should face Levan Saginashvili if Hermes does not faces him in this coming December. That's all for this video guys. See you in the next video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.